Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! In this video, I'm gonna tell you 15 amazing health benefits of seaweed you should know. Seaweed is often considered as a superfood. Number 1. Seaweed consumption leads to increased energy. Seaweeds are one of the best plant sources of dietary iodine and contain many other essential nutrients, various vitamins, and polysaccharide-rich long-chain sugars. Number 2. Improves thyroid function. The thyroid is important in maintaining overall health. Thyroid requires iodine for its proper functioning. Number 3. Improve gut health. Seaweed is a good source of fiber, therefore, it promotes gut health and improves the health of the immune system. Number 4. Contain a variety of antioxidants. Antioxidants help your body to make free radicals less reactive so they can cause less damage to your body cells. Number 5. Good for weight loss and appetite control. The fiber in seaweed helps people to reduce weight. It can delay your hunger and keep you feeling fuller for a longer time. Number 6. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is common and leading cause of death worldwide. Number 7. Boost your immune health. Seaweeds can help fight viruses and prevent them from entering your body and help you to boost your immune system. Number 8. Reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. If your body fails to manage blood sugar levels, then it can lead to diabetes. Number 9. Reduce the risk of cancer. You can reduce the risk of certain cancer by adding seaweed to your diet. Number 10. Good for skin. Seaweed contains humectants that draw moisture and vitamin E from the environment, which is good for hydrating your skin that protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Number 11. Seaweed can help your vision. A high level of vitamin A present in seaweed makes it an ideal solution for vision problems. Number 12. Natural fertilizer.
A few moments later.
Number 13. Good for hair. Seaweed is rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming seaweed can provide your hair follicles with the right amount of nutrients to stimulate hair growth. Number 14. Eating seaweed could help brittle bones. Osteoporosis is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Seaweeds contains a high amount of calcium and magnesium with high bioavailability. Number 15. Detox your body. Detoxification of the body becomes essential, and seaweeds are ideal for that. Seaweeds can remove fats and toxins from the body, thus keeping your liver healthy. Adding seaweed to your diet can provide you with lots of benefits. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy! 再见!